So, you ready to be a boss? Well, today is your day. A boss with zero investment. You can get started. The link is below, but I want you to know that the company is over 136 years old. So it's a well-known company. It is a cosmetic company, and the company is Avon. So if you know anything about Skin So Soft, it's been around since 1964, but they have sold 40 million bottles of Skin So Soft. Now they also have makeup and hair care, perfume, body care. I mean, there's a lot of products that they sell, but this today, there is no investment. You will get a website. And so if you want to work from home, do it strictly as an online business. Now, I do a lot of online, but also the fact that people know I have it. They'll ask me, do you have any Skin So Soft on hand? We're coming up to the time of year where there's a lot of mosquitoes. Great products for that. I bathe my dog in it. So you can sell whatever you want to sell. If you really like perfumes and you just want to focus on perfumes, you can do that. I always have new perfumes coming out. So, there's people that still use the old lines that have been around for a long time. So it's a timeless product. Sell to your friends, your family, whomever. You can buy from yourself, which is always a great thing, and save money. But it's still. So the key piece is, if you want to be a boss with zero investment, today is your day. The link is below. Do it with a friend. It's zero right now. Be the boss you want to be.